हेलो दोस्तों। तो 2021 में रह के ये बातें आपके लिए ज़्यादा सरप्राइजिंग नहीं होने वाला होगा कि हमारे आसपास की सारी चीज़ें डिजिटलाइज हो रही है। सारे इंडस्ट्रीज़ अपने आप को डिजिटल कर रहे हैं और फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री भी इसका एक्सेप्शन नहीं है। और इसी वजह से क्लिनिकल रिसर्च आज फार्मास्यूटिकल इंडस्ट्री का एक बहुत ही इमर्जिंग सेक्टर बन चुका है और बहुत सारे फार्मेसी ग्रेजुएट्स को भी ये फील्ड अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है। ये मेजरली दो कारण की वजह से हो रहा है। एक तो ये है कि इस सेक्टर में अगर आपको आना है तो फिर आपको दो चीज़ें लगेंगे। एक तो है आपको जब बेसिक कंप्यूटर स्किल्स और आपका फार्मास्यूटिकल टेक्निकल नो हाउ। तो ये दोनों अगर आपका रहेगा तो ही आप इस सेक्टर में आ पाओगे, इस सेक्टर में आप फ्लरिश कर पाओगे। तो इसी वजह से कोई भी जब ये सेक्टर में आता है तो ना ही केवल उसका फार्मास्यूटिकल नॉलेज एम्पलीफाई होता है, बल्कि वो जो रिसर्च ओरिएंटेड जो सॉफ्टवेयर होते हैं वो सॉफ्टवेयर के साथ भी वो काम करके अपने आप को डेवलप कर पाता है फॉर बेटर फ्यूचर। और सेकेंड रीज़न ये है कि ये क्लिनिकल रिसर्च सेक्टर का जो पे स्केल है वो फार्मेसी इंडस्ट्री का और भी बाकी जो सेक्टर्स होते हैं जैसे कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग या मार्केटिंग उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा हाई होता है। इसीलिए भी बहुत सारे ग्रेजुएट्स इस जॉब के पीछे भागते हैं। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम इसी फील्ड को लेके एक इन डेप्थ डिस्कशन करेंगे। हम जानेंगे कि इस फील्ड में क्या क्या सब्जेक्ट्स या टॉपिक्स प्रिवेलेंट है। इसके साथ साथ हम ये भी जानेंगे कि एक फार्मेसी या बायोटेक फ्रेशर कैसे इस फील्ड में घुस पाता है और तो और इस फील्ड का क्या क्या प्री रेक्विजिट्स है। हम ये सब कुछ जानेंगे और इसी के बारे में बात करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ है सतीश कुमार। Satish Kumar is a founder and CEO of Cleanoxy Solutions. This company is primarily involved with providing job-oriented trainings to students of pharmacy, biotech and other related fields. इन लोगों के ट्रेनिंग को लेके मैंने पहले ही एक डिटेल्ड वीडियो इस चैनल पे बना रखा है। आप चाहो तो आई बटन में जाके देख सकते हो या फिर डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी इसका लिंक दिया हुआ है। Now coming back to Satish Kumar, apart from a great friend of mine, he is a really great entrepreneur और तो और वो बहुत ही अच्छे टीचर और ट्रेनर भी है। एंड आई एम प्रिटी श्योर कि आज का ये वीडियो देखने के बाद, उनके टीचिंग को फर्स्ट हैंड एक्सपीरियंस करने के बाद आप भी ये बात मानोगे। तो चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं, लेकिन उससे पहले लेट्स रोल द इंट्रो।
Hello everyone, welcome to Cleanoxy Solutions. A very good day. Our main motto at Cleanoxy is to help and support pharmacy students in building their career at the earliest and at the best. This program is designed to let the freshers know the opportunities in the clinical field so that they can smartly choose their career. We take the pride of being student friendly and undoubtedly the unique program with combination of multiple departmental trainings. When we say student friendly, we value your time, money, and career. Now let us get into the main topic. For that, I request Mr. Satish Kumar, the CEO and founder of Cleanoxy, to explain about this program briefly. Good luck, guys. Over to Mr. Satish Kumar.
Yeah, thank you. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. This Cleanoxy is offering you a job-oriented training program in pharmaceutical software departments job opportunities. Okay, this demo session is completely related to the training program we are offering. The agenda of this session is into introduction about the organization, types of pharmacy and CRO industries, what is a dream job, steps towards clinical research and clinical trials, various departments in clinical research, salaries and opportunities, program details and contents, training plan and course details, why only Cleanoxy. Okay, yeah, myself Satish Kumar. I'm a pharmacy graduate. I do have 7+ years of experience in clinical research. I'm certified from MDR TUVSUD, notified body Germany, and certified from MDR Clinic GmbH Switzerland, certified from Vismes Visual Presentation Group. I'm the founder and CEO of Cleanoxy Solutions. You can find my email ID and the contact details of Cleanoxy. When comes about the actual session, what is a pharma industry? Where discovering, developing, producing, and marketing medicinal components, the organization or in a company we called pharmaceutical industries. They are engaging in different type of pharmaceutical dosage forms like tablets, capsules, injections, syrups, and ointments. What are the different types of pharmaceutical industries? One is bulk pharmaceutical companies. Second one is formulation companies. What do you mean by bulk pharmaceutical company? If you take a form of a tablet or a pharmaceutical dosage form of a tablet, the entire composition having a different excipients and the active component. The active component which is having pharmacological activity, that we called active pharmaceutical ingredient, API. As we studied in inorganic chemistry, medicinal chemistry, and chemistry related subjects, all the components will comes under active pharmaceutical ingredients. The companies which are involving in producing bulk pharmaceutical companies we called. Okay. Then comes about formulation companies. The formulation companies will receive, okay, they receive and get bulk pharmaceutical companies active pharmaceutical ingredients. They can involving in production of final medicinal product that called a tablet or a capsule or a syrup or an ointment. What are the different departments in formulation pharmaceutical companies? Research and development, quality control, production, packaging and inspection for tablets, quality assurance, regulatory affairs, and marketing. Okay. The, then the topmost pharmaceutical companies you can see on the screen: Roche, Lupin, Sanofi, Granules, Abbott, Alchem, Merck, Hetero, Pfizer, GSK, Zydus, Novartis, Sun Pharma. These are topmost pharmaceutical companies. When comes about Clinoxi, want to introducing software pharmaceutical opportunities. As everyone think like that, I did my master's in pharmacy, I did my pharmacy, I did bachelor's in pharmacy. I want to work in a pharmaceutical organization. I want to set up a pharmaceutical store. I want to work in hospital. No, our opportunities are not limited to this sector. We do have a lot of opportunities, like a IT culture departments will be there. Those we call CRO industries. Okay, the departments will comes under CRO. Many things will be there. What do you mean by CRO then? A clinical research organization is a service organization that provides support to the pharmaceutical and biotechnology industries. What we discussed previously, CRO industries will give service to the pharmaceutical industries in order to get approval of the products. So what are the software departments under pharmaceutical sector? One is clinical trial and documentation, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical and scientific writing, SAS, regulatory affairs, and medical devices. These are the excellent departments where we can explore our professional career. Okay, once we start our career in CRO industries, for sure you will get a good salary. Okay, you can see a good growth in your professional career. There is no doubt. These are the top contract research organizations: IQVIA, Covance, Paraxel, Cleantech, Icon, Bioclinica, ClinChoice, Cognizant, Syneos, and Fryer. These are the few contract research organizations where we can get a lot of opportunities. Then what is a dream job? What do you mean by dream job? What do you mean by dream job? The parameters will related to the dream job is a salary, safety, location, flexibility, growth rate, working hours, and benefits and perks. A dream job having a good salary, having a good hike in salary every year, every month, every quarter, every half an year. Safety, the organization which provides women's safety and friendly environment, that is a dream job. Location, many people will think like that: I am staying in Mumbai, I am staying in Delhi, I am staying in Hyderabad, or I am staying in Bangalore. I want to work in nearby my locality. That is a main parameter. Growth rate and flexibility, where we can see a growth rate in your job description, okay, in designation and salary and working hours, and the flexibility depends on your work and organization. That is a main parameter related to the dream job. Working hours, usually in India we have to work for 9 hours. Many companies are providing you very less number of working hours and asking you to work in of 9 o'clock to 5:30 or 6 o'clock. Isn't a good parameter and a main important parameter related to the dream job. Then benefits and perks. Many top multinational companies are offering you a good hike, nearly 15 to 25% yearly. They will provide you on your performance basis. This is a dream job. Okay. Then what you have to do as a fresher graduate or an experienced graduate, what you have to do to get a dream job. Passionate. You have to passionate about your professional career. You should have a passion. I want to do something. I want to become a something. After completion of my B Pharm, M Pharm, Pharm D, I want to get in a job in something. After completion or after getting 3 years experience or 5 year experience, I want to see myself as a top performing employee at my workplace, or I want to become a manager or assistant manager. That passionate, the passion should be there. Then career. The persons who are having a keen idea about career, for sure they will get dream job. There is no doubt. Then talent. What do you mean by talent? Someone tells like, I got 99 marks are out of 100. Is it talent? No, that is not talent. Talent means you should have a capability. You should have a listening skills. You should have soft skills. You should have a communication skills. The person who is having or got 41 marks, he can able to explain everything, you know, and compared to the candidate who is having 99 out of 100 marks. That's not the talent. The candidate who is having a capability skill of explaining the things, who is raising their hands initially in the group of people, who doesn't have a stage fear. That is a talent. Okay, guys. To get your dream job, you should have a passionate about your dream. Okay, you should have passionate about your goal, your aim, your achievements. Then should have a keen idea about your career. Then talent. Okay, this is very, very simple and very easily through our Clinoxy. There is no doubt. Then one comes about according to APM, Association for Project Management, one survey saying that 26% of employees want to move from their current role. 15% of employees expecting increasing in salary. 21% of employees might lose their jobs. What is the reason behind this number? What is the reason? Why 26% of people want to move? 15% of employees expecting salary, increasing in salary. Then 21% of employees might lose their jobs. What is the reason behind this? Why? It means a parameter which is related to the dream job is fail. Something they are lagging in salary. Safety is not there. Location barrier, flexibility is not there. Growth rate is not there. Working hours are extremely high. There is no benefits. That is the reason they want to move. That is the reason they are expecting salary. That is the reason might they lose their jobs. So after completion of your graduation, choosing a department, okay, to start your buddy career, okay, in professional way, it should be a very good department. Guys, Clinoxy want to save your valuable time. Okay, we'll give you a good platform where you can see a excellent professional career growth. So guys, choose a department that makes your professional career very good manner. Then what comes about clinical research and clinical trials? What do you mean by clinical research? In simple words, investigation of new drugs, new treatments, medical devices regulations, medical devices discovery, pharmaceutical products clinical trials, and research where we are conducting that we call a clinical research and clinical trials. Nothing is there. Then what are the departments and what are the phases will comes under clinical trials? Then what are the departments will comes under clinical research? Phase 1 clinical trials, nearly 100 participants will enroll. Phase 2, approximately 200 or several hundred participants will be there. Then phase 3, thousands of patients will be there or participants will be there. When comes about phase 4 clinical trials, this is a very important question, guys. We used to call post-marketing surveillance as phase 4. Once the drug is approved from the clinical trials of the regulatory authority, pharmaceutical manufacturing companies will sell their products and introduce it into the market. Every manufacturing company has to survey to get an adverse events or side effects through post-marketing surveillance activities. That is called phase 4. You know, no one having clinical research and clinical trials idea before pandemic. No one. Only students or professionals or doctors or nurses are related to healthcare professionals. The normal person doesn't know about clinical research and clinical trials. After pandemic, everyone knows that. Some hospitals, some companies, some industries are conducting clinical trials. That is the importance of clinical research and clinical trials. Okay, that is the importance. Then, as I explained previously, the important informations and the documentations and procedures under clinical trials. Financial support, who will give that? Protocol design, what we mean by protocol and what are the sections will be there. Clinical trial sites, it means feasibility analysis. What do you mean by feasibility analysis? Eligibility criteria, what is that? Study recruitment, it means informed consent form, how it looks. Safety data collection, how? Case report form, how it looks. SAE report, what are the contents will be there. Everything we will explain you and teach you in our Clinoxi training program. Got it? Clinical trial phases and clinical trial informations, clinical research is a very important topics and very important department for every department, not only for particular department. Okay, if you are preparing for pharmacovigilance, you have to prepare for clinical research and clinical trials. If you are going to apply for medical writing or regulatory writing, you should prepare for clinical research. Okay. Yeah, what are the departments comes under clinical research and clinical trials? Clinical research, clinical trials, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, medical writing, regulatory affairs, and SaaS. These are the excellent software pharma departments where you can explore. Okay, you can see a lot of growth in these departments. Then once comes about salaries and opportunities. When comparing to the pharmaceutical industries, we do have lot of opportunities and lot of benefits and very good salary they will provide. Then once comes about clinical research and pharmacovigilance, the initial salaries will be around 16,000 rupees per month. Once you cross 3 years experience, your salary will be nearly 30,000 rupees. There is no doubt. Clinical data management, it will be around 35,000 rupees per month after completion of 3 years. Then medical writing and regulatory, nearly 40,000 rupees. Once you cross your 3 to 4 years experience, there is no doubt. Did we are getting same salaries in pharmaceutical companies? No, we are not getting. Many of our colleagues and friends, I can see many people, still they are working in industries, they are getting 20,000 rupees, but they are having 5 years of experience. See, that is the growth of these departments. I'm suggesting you guys to choose a good department. Okay. Yeah. What are the opportunities in different departments? Then once comes about clinical research coordinator, we call CRC, clinical research associate, CRA, pharmacovigilance, drug safety associate, safety analyst, case processing associate, clinical data management, clinical data associate, clinical data manager, data analyst, quality analyst, regulatory affairs associate, publication writer, labeling associate, medical writing, junior writer, medical writer, narrative writer. See how many opportunities are there. See how many opportunities are there. Due to the lack of information, due to the lack of awareness, we are not getting these departments job opportunities. No one know about all these departments when you are in college. No lecturers knowing this. No senior person, no relative, no friend, no one. You should know about all these departments. That is your responsibility. You have to Google it. You have to search in YouTube. What is the importance of particular department? In that, Clinox is supporting you guys to achieve your goals in pharma domain. There is no doubt. Okay, don't waste your valuable time, guys. Do join us. This is a very good program. Then percentage of opportunities. Through Clinoxi, we are offering a 15 days training program. It will be around 30 days totally. And we will provide you a certification as well. Once comes about importance of certification, freshers with certification, they might get chances of opportunities. It will be around 80%. Okay. Without certification, it's very less opportunities. If you know about all the departments, your chances of opportunities will be 70%. Try to learn about all the departments. Many students are telling like that, I want to learn about pharmacovigilance. I want to learn about clinical data management. No, that's not the way. You have to learn about all the departments. It will help you guys. There is no doubt. If you learn about only single department, how many opportunities we'll see per month? Either it is 2 or 3. If you learn about all 6 departments, 6 into 3, total 18. Nearly 20 opportunities will be there per month. You can apply for every opportunity. You are a fresh mind, a fresh candidate. Okay, your mind eager to learn everything. You should make your mind. Okay, yeah, these are training plan and course details. Okay, moving or yeah, I'm going to introduce my training panel. Hello, Vina.
Hello, Satish.
Yeah,
Hello, everyone. This is Veena. I'm a medical writer trainer working in Clinoxy. So I have a good 6 years of experience in medical writing, that is into devices. I'm very glad to be associated with Clinoxy. Thank you. Thank you, Satish.
yeah. Hi, Raj.
Yeah, hello Satish. Hello everyone.
Hi.
I'm Raju, having 7+ years of experience in pharmacovigilance and currently working in top MNC at Hyderabad. I'm very happy to collide with Cliniaxy, and I will be taking care of pharmacovigilance job-oriented training. And I highly recommend you all to join Cliniaxy because you can learn different types of clinical research job-oriented trainings at one place. Last,
Yeah.
I would say, learn at Clinaxy and start your dream job. Thank you all.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Raju. Hi, Sailesri.
Hello, hi everyone. Myself Silasri, and I will be the subject matter expert who will be handling regulatory affairs for Clinoxy. Currently, I was working as a regulatory affairs specialist in one of the top MNC located at Hyderabad. Hope everyone will join Clinoxy and get lot of knowledge for your bright future. Moreover, we won't leave you without your dream job. That's it. Don't think, proceed, take a good decision. All the best for all of you guys. Thank you, Satish, for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be a part of the Clinoxy training program. Thanks, one
Thank
and
you.
all. Bye.
Yeah, thank you, Sailesri. Hello, Kiran. Kiran, are you there? Okay. Thanks, guys. And our program is into different domains. One single sitting program, you will learn about 6 functional departments. Okay. And the first class to the last class. Yes, Veena. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, Kiran. Yes, Kiran.
Hi, Satish. Hi, all.
Yeah.
This is Kiran, and I have total 10 years and 9 months of core CDM data, clinical data management experience. And I'm working with a top MNC since 10 years. And I'm very much glad to work with Clinic. And I welcome you all to the team.
Thank you. Thank you, Kiran. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Yeah. And all the 6 departments we will teach you in 15 days. Okay. And it will be around 30 days entire training program. Clinical research part 1, 2, pharmacovigilance, clinical data management, and regulatory affairs, medical writing, medical devices, and regulatory writing as well. Okay. And no institute in the market providing medical devices and IVDR coaching in these short-term programs. Okay, my vision and Clinoxy vision and our trainers vision is to save your valuable time. Okay, how much is possible, and we can feed you guys within short time. Okay, Clinoxy don't want to go for diploma course or PG diploma course. Again, we don't want to waste your valuable time. Okay, yeah, we'll groom yourself within short period of time, and we'll make you guys ready for the opportunities. Then what are the contents available and what are the modules will comes under our departments? Like clinical research, we will let you know about and teach you about principal investigator information, feasibility analysis, clinical trials, randomization, visit information, eligibility criteria, many things will comes under. Then pharmacovigilance, case processing activities, what is database, what is serious adverse event, adverse drug reactions, causality, many things will be there. Then regulatory affairs, ANDA, IND, NDA, Orange Book. Clinical data management, introduction about clinical data management, what is paper and is CRF and CRF design, data validation, and vendor and RAB reconciliation, query management, discrepancy management, many things will be there. Then medical writing, narrative writing, a different set of medical writing documents like clinical study protocol, CRF, investigator brochure, informed consent form, many things. Then medical devices. It's an, as we know, medical devices and in vitro diagnostic regulations are very new into the market, and every manufacturer have to prepare regulatory document. Okay, no one having a keen idea and in experience in medical devices. This is a value addition to you guys from Clinoxy. We are offering you a good program in medical devices along with this all 6 functional departments. Okay, and the course highlights will be, it is completely a 15 days training program. It will be around 22 days, Saturday, Sunday, and a holiday. Okay, then you can save our number 94925 Okay, only one institute in India giving coaching in 6 functional departments. Okay, you can see many institutes in the market, they are providing you pharmacovigilance, CDM, or medical writing, either CDM, medical writing, or pharmacovigilance. But my and Clinoxy and our trainers intention is to give a entire knowledge in specified timelines, make you ready for the opportunity. Okay, 100% job assistance will be there till you get placed. What is the eligibility criteria? All B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, and Pharmacy candidates and life sciences graduates of MBBS, BDS, MDS, BAMS. Okay, biotechnology, BTech, and MTech. MSc, BSc candidates also eligible for this, taking this course. Okay, you can save our number 94925 and do follow us in YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram as well. Yeah, then once comes up a real-time scenario, you can take Rahul and Ramesh. Okay, Rahul having certification course while Ramesh doesn't have any certification course. Rahul started applying for the opportunities. Within 1 month, he got in good opportunities. Many opportunities will be there. Okay, then when it comes about Ramesh, he doesn't. Then what is the reason behind this? Rahul having certification, Ramesh having, there is no certification. Every HR, every technical people will think like that. If we recruit a fresher candidate, if we give training, okay, if we give training them, then how many days they will pick up? If any person who took training, if any person having certification, it will take about very less number of days to train them. That is the only reason every HR, every company looking for the certificate candidates only. If you have a certification through our Clinoxy, for sure you will get your dream job within 1 or 2 months. That is, there is no doubt. Okay. Then Rahul got many opportunities, but Ramesh doesn't. Then he realized, I don't have any certification. I don't know all the departments and knowledge. He joined and he took a course and he got certified and he got a professional resume. Then he started applying for the opportunities. Within specified timelines, he got an opportunity. So be like Rahul. Okay, do get a certificate, do join in training program. Then advantage of clinical research jobs. And Veena, you want to take care of this? Okay, fine. When comes about advantage of clinical research jobs, completely work from home. Okay, about 90% of organizations, okay, they are providing complete work from home. No need to go anywhere. They will provide laptops. You have to work in from your home only. Laptop they will provide, free transportation, free allowances, food allowances, cab allowances. Who will give? That is the fetching of these departments, guys. Okay, these are very good departments. There is no shifts, no extended working hours. Yearly hike, it will be around 15 to 20%, 25%. Then these are the valuable feedbacks of our previous batches candidates. Okay, these are the screenshots. If you can't able to see a screen, you can maximize and you can check. These are genuine feedbacks. I don't want to go for testimonials or something. These are genuine feedbacks. Hope you can see our screen. See, they are enjoying our classes. Many people got selected for different organizations, IQVIA, Bioclinica, Tech Mahindra, Medwin Bio, and we also referred few candidates to the AIG hospitals, many organizations. Until you get placed, we will be there for you. There is no doubt. We will take care of you. Okay, why only Clinoxy? You can see during this 15 days training program, we will give you a number of PDF files, interview questions, Word documents, real-time documents. That is lifetime validity. We will record daily sessions. We will share with you guys. That is completely lifetime validity. Then 60 plus real-time PDF and Word documents. So different type of materials related to the each department, module quizzes and real-time interview questions. We do have a specialized classes that only talks about quiz questions and answers. Our intention is to put those answers and questions in your brain. That is a value addition in this program. So 100% job assistance. There is no doubt. Until you get placed, we will take care of you. Professional resume and course completion certificate. We will prepare your professional resume that approved by many organizations. The format will approved by and approved acceptable by every HR. That professional resume we will offer you. And end of the session, end of the course, we will provide you a certificate. There is a valid certificate and approved by many authorities. And free membership to freelance content writing projects. If you get an opportunity with another organization, if you have 2 hours time or 3 hours time, you can spare with us. We will offer you a content writing projects that we will give you a salary. That is a fetching you guys. That is advantage of Clinoxy. Okay, we do have a lot of projects in content writing. We will offer you guys. Along with your job, you can do with us. You can participate in our content writing projects. Yeah, this is eligibility criteria, B Pharm, M Pharm. Okay, third year, fourth year of B Pharmacy, first year, second year of M Pharmacy, and PharmD, fifth year and sixth year, all and MBBS, BDS, MDS, and BAMS, BHMS, BTech, MTech, and BSc and MSc. All these life sciences graduates are eligible to get a course. Okay. As I told you, kindly save our number 949251123. Do follow us in YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Okay, please have a look on our statuses and hope we will connect in our next sessions. Okay, you can call us and we are waiting for your call. Thank you. Good luck, guys.
तो यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है हमारा वीडियो। आई होप कि आपका जितने भी डाउट्स था रिगार्डिंग क्लिनिकल रिसर्च सेक्टर वो सब कुछ क्लियर हो गया होगा। अगर अभी भी कोई डाउट या क्वेरी आपके मन में है तो आप ज़रूर कमेंट बॉक्स में डालिएगा। आप क्लिनॉक्सी के यूट्यूब चैनल को ज़रूर चेक करना, लिंक दिया हुआ है, और उनके साथ अगर आपको कांटेक्ट करना है तो उनके कांटेक्ट नंबर सब कुछ लिंक में मैंने दे रखा है, तो आप ज़रूर चेक करना। और अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए तो हमारे चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब करना, अपने दोस्तों के साथ ये वीडियो को शेयर करना, क्लिनॉक्सी के बारे में अपने दोस्तों को बताना। मैं मिलता हूँ आपके साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू, बाय बाय।